she lying while we do it. So discreet, if you ask me, I know nothing. It's something on my dick, I know she like it.